Hello users, let's know how to raise a fire alarm from the 360 Community App. First, open the 360 Community App. Then you can check the section named Quick Access on the home page. Tap on the fire alarm option from this section. The fire alarm page will open. Then you have to choose your location or others. If you choose others, then you have to specify the details in the below box. Then tap on the raise fire alarm and the alarm would be raised. You will receive a notification on your number confirming that the alarm has been raised. Thank you for watching this video.